This is my channel, and we have two special guests here. Molly, Connor.
Why would you say my last name?
And Riley Cresswell. And the most important one here, Mackenzie Farmer.
Why would you say your last name?
Okay, so let's start. I'm making purple.
Yeah, so I'm making yellow slime. She's making purple slime. And
Coral.
Molly, what slime are you making?
Like peach.
Okay, so we have our glue. Riley, would you like to hold up the...
Contact solution.
Yeah, we have contact solution.
And
then
for our crusty silk.
all of our
Should
slime.
I go get paper towels?
We'll wait till the end to clean it.
Well, yeah, we'll wait till the end.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so I guess let's just start off.
Maybe I should add in more.
Yeah, you're gonna want to add more.
I will.
Oh my god,
That's
it's
a
so
lot.
heavy. This is how much you... So, we're doing a close-up on Molly's.
Ooh, she's thick.
Now, I think it's time to add in the shaving cream, so...
Oh, she's thick.
So now I'm gonna start off with my yellow.
Do blue and red. Should I move the spoon? No, it's fine.
This is mine. You know, I'm kind of going for that like banana pie look. So then
Mine's so white.
Molly's going for that. I look like I'm at a restaurant look. And then
Mine's still white. I'm struggling.
hers is white.
It won't come out.
So she's struggling with the blue. But oh, look how pretty it looks. Died and
Now we're just making more slime.
yeah,
That's how we go through the breeding process.
she died. So
She resurrected. Who just died?
oh, she's back. Okay then.
I got a whole bunch.
Alright, good, because I need that.
Oh my.
Solutions in my head. I think
So while we're adding this in, Riley's still struggling.
I got color though. I got a little bit color. It's like too close to food though.
I'm sorry, Thanksgiving is just an overrated food holiday.
Okay, well we're not doing purple because it's not working.
Ew, what is this here? Bye, Patricia.
Molly, look at the side of your bowl. Oh, Molly.
Okay, so now we. Oh my land.
Oh, my.
What was that noise that has just arisen?
Ah!
When I started watching YouTube, I said when I become a YouTuber and I upload my first video, I get like 100 views. Yeet. The only people that are viewing this are the people from my school.
Okay. Hello. So this is mine. It's pink. I couldn't get it to be purple.
Oh.
Molly, this is Mackenzie's. Looks like lemon colored. And Molly's over here struggling.
Pretty good.
My slime is okay, it's just not
bloomy.
like my life.
It's us in this world are nice people. Others aren't.
At Kids in F.
Everybody in FDR.
Molly, they're gonna.
Oh, wait, is it more? Yeet. That was not close. That happened.
Is that the heater goes? And it scared me.
It scares me.
So this
Like,
is
that's
Fantasia with my little dinosaur up there. And it's a little fingerling monkey with this little piece of
Hair.
weave.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Mackenzie!
You...
Help me.
How that you?
I think that we did pretty good on this. I think that we should now do like the part where we go and do like this slow motion cute videos
Outside.
outside. So
Slow-mo.